Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Alazaesbeauty. Now, I apologize for looking a little bit scrubbed. Just came from the gym, but I couldn't just wait to do a review of the palette of the Urban Decay Wire. Look at this. Thank you so much to Urban Decay foremost, most of all. Thank you so much for sending me this palette. Man, I'm so excited because I have the original electric palette, which is this one. If no one has seen this one, this is the electric palette, one of the originals. I'm going to show you how it looks with the shades. See if I can block this out. All right, don't paint to the cover of this one. But look at this. This is the electric palette when it looks like this. I've been having this for a long time already. It's one of my favorites. I love it. Oldie but a goodie. But now I got something new. And obviously you guys just seen the box when it came to doing this one. The box looks like this. And then these are some of the shades. But we're going to get to that in a minute. Let me show you the actual palette because that's what we want to see. All right, you guys ready? Oh my God, look at this baby. Look at that. Look at that baby, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm glad when I first got it in my hands, I'm not glad I was excited. I'm like a baby. All right. It looks like this. I'm going to turn it around like that. I love how the packaging is nice and sleek. I'm a big person about packages, just the sleekness of it. I love it. And this is like a kind of like a 3D, like, I don't know if you guys can see, kind of like a 3D effect. All right. So now I'm just going to open it. It does have a mirror. So let me just block it because my light is going to hit it. But these are the shades, you guys. Look at this. Look at that. Love that stuff. Love it. See if I can zoom that in for you guys. Look at that stuff. Gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Ooh. I'm like so excited. So we're going to go through the names just in case. One thing I did notice with this one, they did have a white one out in it. So love that. So we got Glitch, Chows, Shock, Fluorescent, Current, Jolt. We got Gravity, Savage. We got Switch, and we got Slow Burn. Slow Burn. So, and I did notice it said right here for face, body, and eye. So I guess these are supposed to be for face, body, and eye on this section. And then we have for face and body. Well, you know your girl's going to use it for everything. So love this stuff. Love this stuff. Excellent. Oh my God. I did. All right. So we're going to do some swatches. I will do an actual look. I feel like doing two kind of looks because I already got things in mind. But let's go ahead and swatch some because I'm pretty sure you guys are excited to swatch. So I'm going to go first in with Glitch, which is the white one. I'll go ahead and swatch this. Let's see and see how it feels. How it looks on my skin. Not bad, to be honest. Let me do that again. Love that. So now I'm going to go in with Chow's, which is like the blue one. Put that over here. Whoa. Love that. Nice pigmentation on that baby. So let me just grab a little Kleenex because I'm going to need some of this. All right. So next one I'm going in with this called Shock, which is like a purple, kind of like a lavender kind of shade. Let's see. Ooh, love that. That was pretty. All right. Next one I'm going is with Fluorescent. It kind of reminds me like a baby blue kind of color. Really nice and soft. Ooh, that is cute. And I like that they don't feel or look chalky. That's one thing I definitely like. So love that, love that, love that. All right, next one we're going in with Current, which is the green one. Go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, like that one has like a little shimmer to it, which is not bad. All right. Next one I'm going in with, it is called Jolt. It is like a lime kind of green kind of color. Let me pull a bit more so you guys can see that a little bit better. I like it. Not too bad. So all of these is the one side that is supposed to be for face, body, and eye. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. So let me go to my next arm because I'm running out of space here. All right, so next one is going to be the one that's called for face and body, which is going to be these right over here. So first one, I'm going with the purple. I apologize if you guys hear background. That is my son in the background. Ooh, I love that one. That one's called Gravity. Next one I'm going to hit is going to be Savage, which is a pink one. Whoa, love that stuff. All right, I see you, Urban. I see you. I see you. All right, next one is called Switch, which is an orange one. You know, I love this orange. It's hard to find an orange like that. So I'll be honest, I love that. Love that. Can't go wrong. All right, so next one's gonna be Slow Burn. So this was kind of like a reddish orange kind of shade, kind of hard to describe. Oh, snaps. Okay, so these ones are super pigmented. Ain't no joke. So they goes side by side. Love that. Can't go wrong. What are my thoughts about the shades in general? Love it. You can't go wrong. The shades are really nice. They're pretty much pigmented. You can't go wrong. Let me dust it a little bit there. All right, I'm going to go back to the shades. Look at that. Definitely love it. You can't go wrong. Man, I can't wait to get my hands on this puppy. Actually applied in my eyes. So, oof. Can't wait. So far, loving how it looks. Love everything about it. The one con I think for me would be, but it's not a biggie to be honest. It's just honestly, I think maybe a customer preference would be, I wanted a brush, like the original has a brush. I love that. But you know what? If it doesn't have a brush, it's not like a deal breaker as well for me anyway, because the packaging is beautiful. I always love how Urban Decay always puts their time and effort in packages. Love that stuff. And this was going to retail for $39, I believe $39 for this one. And it's going to be available online on Urban Decay, I believe February 14. And after that, I believe Ulta and Sephora will have it in stores, I believe March 1st. But don't quote me on that. I'll double check. I'll get the times and stuff for you like in the bottom. But so far, loving it. So once again, I definitely want to thank Urban Decay. Thank you for sending me this package. Love it. Wait till part 2 of this video because I'll make sure I'm looking better, obviously, so I can show you guys the nice shades when it comes to this. But do I recommend this so far just by looking at the shades? Yes. And people don't get intimidated by shades too. Some people may look at this like, oh, I don't know what to do. Remember, you can always combine it with some other palette, or even like, let's say this one and this one soft color. Man, trust me, there's something for everyone. And I'm going to show you what I mean when I do, like, I'm going to do at least 2 makeups and probably even more than that because spring is coming, summer's coming, and you can wear this anytime. So, all right. So I hope you guys enjoy my review. Thank you so much. And I apologize. Like I said again, I'm looking a little scruffy here, but I couldn't wait to show you guys these shades. So, all right. So don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye.